Hey y'all, we are going to jump right into this video. So just a little disclaimer. I told y'all I was going to show y'all how I achieved this look, not the proper way to achieve this look. So I'm just going to let y'all know, don't do this at home. Like, I don't care about nothing. I don't care about my life. I'm just out here doing stuff, okay? So don't do this. I'm out here with no brush, no clips, no bowl, just out here doing stuff, okay? But okay, well, I got gloves, so I guess I care a little bit. But anyways, I'm just gonna tell y'all a little backstory on the hair. This is the wig that I got from samsbeauty.com. It was in a previous video. If you are a subscriber and you keep up with what I'm doing, then you have seen this wig before. So I decided that I was tired of that blonde and I just wanted to do something different, and I colored the roots purple and I did the rest of the hair pink. But I did this so long ago and the pinks didn't match up. Like, I didn't do it all in one day. And so I just left the wig in the closet and said I would work on it later. But I could never get access to the pinks that I had used before. So I just went to the hair store and got this hot pink, and I'm just covering up the pink period because it didn't match in the beginning. Like, one side of the pink is darker and the other side is lighter. So I'm just going to cover it up with this hot pink that I got from the beauty supply store. I always like to use Adore, but I was trying out another brand and I didn't really care for it, so I'm just gonna stick to Adore when it comes to this type of color. Oh, and I also like color ion or something like that. I can't think of the exact name right now, but I know it's in Sally's. So once I got the product all over the hair like I wanted, I just let the pink sit on there and it like dried, because I used one bottle. It wasn't really like overly saturated. It just had just enough product on it to like cover it. So it dried quick, and so I just let that stay on for about an hour or so. And once I rinsed it out, like, I wish I would have recorded that process, but it was nothing coming out. Like, no color was rinsing out, and I was really shocked because usually the Adore, it does, like the red, I know it's gonna run, but this pink, it didn't run, and I was surprised. I don't know if it was because I let the product dry and so the hair just like absorbed it all or what, I don't know. Anyways, yeah, so I'm just gonna cut it to my liking and set my part. When I set my part, the purple was not in the right spots. Like, I didn't do a good job doing the roots when I did this the first time. And I don't have the purple again, so I'm using blue to correct it. And I'm doing this, like I told y'all, I don't care about nothing. So please do not do this because I messed up. Like, it's kind of patchy in some spots, but it's okay because I told y'all I'm not going to be wearing this wig like that anyways. It's just some play around, just doing something. So yeah, after I fix that, I'm gonna set my part and just kind of flat iron it out a little more, and that's pretty much it. If you like this color combo, like the pink and the purple and the blue, then thumbs up. If you would like to see how I put it on and style it to my head. If you would like some different colors, leave that in the comment section, because I do like to color and I'm going to show y'all how to do it the right way. But this was just this week I just had to fix it, and I'm actually going to go back and fix the roots. But yeah, this was just something quick for y'all. Yeah, let me know if y'all like some other colors and I will try to do that for you. If you have not, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you in my next one.